Hi! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make this 3D Crescent Moon and Stars for the upcoming Eid celebration. So if you would like to make this craft, please continue watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So let's get creative, shall we? For this craft, we need A4 size glitter cards, some A4 colored cards, an A4 colored paper, star craft puncher, a plate or any round object, a string or a yarn, a pencil and a ruler, glue, and a pair of scissors. Let's get started! To make the crescent moon, we will be using a paper plate to trace its shape. Find the center and measure around 10 centimeters to connect the points at each end. And cut the crescent shape. To make it 3D, we need 2 pieces of these. Find the center and measure 3 centimeters. Then connect the points at each end. Put the 2 crescents together. Using the tip of our fingers, fold inwards, following the lines that we just created. I have here 2 star-shaped craft punches. You may also use other shapes. For this star, we need 2 pieces of 10 cm square. To make the star, begin by folding the square into half. Hold the paper vertically and fold it to make a small triangle. Then turn it horizontally and fold the other corner to make the X line in the middle. Then bring the folded corner at the center of the X as shown above. Hold it horizontally and fold this part in half. Make sure that the sides are aligned together. And then we're going to connect this point A to point B. And then we're going to fold it in half. we're going to cut along this slanted line. Open it up, leaving the half still folded. Trim at least a half centimeter on each point as shown above. Open it up and snip in the middle. And make the same folding for the other half of the star. Make sure that the shape and the trims are about the same. Then fold each corner into half. And do the same step to the other pair. Follow the foldings to make the shape more prominent. Then add some glue inside to stick them together. Make sure that each point and sides are aligned together. Let's make more stars for our mobile project. Then cut about 10 inches of string to hold the moon. Tie a knot at the end of the string for a proper grip. Then add some glue around the moon. I decided to add some fairy lights. Gently insert the fairy lights inside the moon. We can now add some more glue to close the gap. And gently mold it to take its shape. Then we can now attach strings to the stars. You can choose to have your strings longer or shorter. To make a paper stick, roll the paper tightly on a flat surface and add glue to hold it together. And trim the edge to make a neat look. Then we can now connect our moon and stars to our stick. And finally, tie a longer string on both ends of the stick to hold our project. And so here's our 3D crescent moon and stars decoration, and it's ready for display. I hope you had fun making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.